Good morning, Dr. Koh and my fellow friends. I'm Kong Li Jian. Now I will answer the questions. First, what you have learned in this subject. I have learned a lot of C++ fundamentals such as array, pointer, classes, and file handling. Next, I learned teamwork by doing this programming project. Second question is what you have contributed from the project. I act as a group leader and assign the tasks to the group members and also doing a lot of discussion with my group members. I also take part for the lead part and the exit part. I spent around 2 days to complete my parts. Next, the daily part needs the file handling and the function to complete it. And for the exit part, I need to link with my members who are doing the menu part by switch case. Lastly, the obstacle that I face during the project development is I need to link the files with my members that doing the view part and edit part. I need to know their codes so that I can continue my parts. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I'm Sandy Dimension. Now I'm going to talk about me in this product management system. Firstly, what I had learned from this subject is, in this subject, I learned more in depth of C++ language. When I was in foundation, I did not say that I was particularly familiar with the array function and more, but in this subject, I had applied this and I am even more familiar with other like class, inheritance, and file. And next, what I have contributed from the project is I had discussed with the member about the detail of the project, like title, interface, and function, and more. And I am responsible with the login part and checkout part. For the login part, I had used C++ fundamental and create a class for it as well as constructor, destructor, and more. For both part, I use a file. And for login, I use file to store the username and password to ensure the user enter the correct password. And for the forgot password, also use file to store the new password if the user make a change on it. And for the checkout part, I had used the file to make a update for quantity. This is to ensure the quantity is always the latest. And for the how much time I spent in this part is I use 2 days for the login part and checkout part also for 2 days. And next is about the obstacles. And I need to spend of my time on internet to learn more different ways to show a good program. In addition, I need to surf the internet and repeat the lecture slides so that I can better understanding about the C++ language such as class, file, function, and more. Learning this took me some time, which led me to spend more time for debugging and more. That's all for me. Thank you.
My name is Li Ziqi. Through working on this project, I have gained practical experience in C++ programming and file handling. I have learned how to design and implement a simple product management system incorporating concepts such as class, file I/O, and error handling. I discussed with my group member to make sure the program works. I have contributed the implementation of the item info class and insert part, which serve as a backbone for managing product information. This card encapsulates various methods for setting and getting product details, saving and retrieving data from files. My contribution revolves around the design and implementation of the item info class, including methods for getting and setting product information, saving and loading data to and from files. I spent around 2 days to develop the insert product part. The obstacles that I face is to ensure the synchronization of data between different file streams pose a challenge, but by maintaining a clear structure in the code. And also I need to spend more time to understand the code and to do the research for the code. Thank you.
My name is Dong Dong Xing, and what I have learned from the subject is learn more about the C++ like array and pointer, class, and other topics that learn in class. And what have I contribute from the project is discuss recruitment, the framework of the entire system, and I take the view part and the edit part to do it. Explain the part and how much time I spend, For the view part and edit part, two of these parts I have using the class, classes, function, and the file text to complete the function, and it takes me about 2 days to finish. And the problem that I face is how to link with the insert part because these two is connected. So, and the value cannot view because some bug or error. So that's all for me. Thank you.
My name is Ivan T. What have I learned from the subject is I'm more understanding about basic C++ syntax and constructs, and file handling, data processing, and console output formatting. So what have I contribute to the project? I have discussed with group members during the project time and developed the parts of generate sales report to the project. I explain the part which I have contributed to the project. For the generate sales report, I contain for this part I contain file handling to open and read data from a text file and use while loop to read data from the file until there's no more data to read. And with some basic error handling to check whether the file opens successfully or not. The time I spent to develop this part is around 1 day more. The obstacles I faced during the project development uh, is I have to understand the file handling first because the value might be corrupt once the value key in wrongly and have to ensure the file is run correctly. So that's all for me. Thank you.
I'm Sandy Devotion. Now I'm going to talk about the login path for product management system. At first, we need to enter the username. Our default username is PM system, but I try to make a wrong on this. It will let the user enter again until the username is correct. And we can proceed to the password. Our default password is PMS12345. If it is correct, it will go through for the next main menu part. And let us try again the password which is wrong. And if we enter the wrong password, it will let the user continue process to reset password or re-enter again the password. Now we try the re-enter again the password. It will let the user enter again the password. If it is correct, and it will go through the main menu. But now we try to proceed the reset password. If we enter Y, it will go through the reset password, and we enter our username and enter the new password, which is 123, and we need to confirm the new password again. And if it's no match, it will pop up the password no match, and we need to try again. Then we try again to reset. If it is matched, it will successfully change, and we need to log in again with the new password. And it can go through the main menu part. That's all for login part. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Lisa Shi. Now I'll talk about the main menu and the insert product part. After the login part, we will straight away enter the main menu to choose the option. We have several options, which is option 1 to allows the user to insert product details. Option 2 is to display product details. Option 3 is display product detail and allow the users to edit existing product information. Option 4 is display product details and allow the user to delete a product. Option 5, check out product is initiated purchase process for a product, updating quantities and calculating profits. And option 6 is generate sales report to display a sales report, and option 7 is exiting the program. We have an error checking in this part. For example, we enter an invalid value like 12. It will show the invalid choice. Please try again. So now let's proceed to the insert product part. So we insert one, and it will tell you to insert a product name. Like now we insert watch and enter the cost price like 50 ringgit. And it will tell us to enter the sales price. If the sales price must higher than the cost price, if we enter the lower price, it will show error. Sales price must be higher than the cost price. So that now we enter the higher price, 80, it will correct, and it will jump to the enter the product quantity, and we press 100, and it will show the summary of the product that we insert just now. And we have more product to insert. We just press yes, and we continue to insert. Like now we want to insert backpack, cost price 30, and product sales price 45 and the quantity is 50. And also we'll jump to the summary of the product that we insert just now. So, and here we can insert more product. So now if you have no product to insert, you just press no. It will go back to the main menu. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Dong Long Sheng, and now I will show how is the view product. So you can see our product is empty because we haven't inserted any product. So if we, after insert the product, we will list all the product that we have like this. So that's all for my part. Thank you. And now I will show demo how to use the edit section. So for this part, it will show all the products that we have. If I don't want to edit anything, I can just press 0 to go to main page. So now let's assist again and try to edit the product 5. So and press Y to confirm one to edit this product. So the new product name will be speaker version 2. The price will be 30. So the sale price also cannot lower than the cost price. Like if I press 25, so it can be, so let it be 45. And the product quantity will be 80. And we will show the product that after we edit. So if no problem, we can press enter to continue. And we'll go to the main page again. So now let us go to view product. So you can see the product already updated. So that's all for my part. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I'm Li Jie. Now I will continue the delete product part. So press 4 to enter it. So these all are the data that my member inserted just now. So I will continue to use it. So if you want to delete the product, we can just enter the wrong, the correct ID, but I want to make it wrong. So to do the error checking, so I'll put like this. So it will keep looping until we insert the correct data. If we don't want insert the correct data, so we just press 0 to going back to the menu. So now we enter it again. Okay, this time we insert the correct data. So I want to delete the watch. So 001. So if you want to delete this product, so we can just press yes. If you don't want, just press no. So I want to press yes. So okay. So now we're going back again. So it will shows this ID and the product is deleted, and the rest didn't do any changes. So we can delete again. I want to delete the sunglasses. So this time we press no. We don't want to delete this item, so just press no. And the products remain changes. Okay, so that's all for my part. Thank you.
Now I will continue with checkout part, which is number 5, and it will show the existing product for now. And for this, we need the user need to enter the product ID that they want to purchase. And here for error checking is when the user enter alphabet, it will show the invalid input and let the user enter a valid product ID. And if the user enter an existing product ID, which is 6, and it will show the product not found and need to enter again the valid product ID. And let us try a valid product ID again. And we try the number 1. And it will show a checkout interface along with the number 1 details. And now we need to enter the quantity that the user wants to purchase. The available quantity is 50. If the user enter which is exceed the available quantity, it will show the quantity is insufficient, and the user prompt to back to the main menu. And let's try the correct quantity. If we try to enter 10, and it will show the checkout is successful, and it will show the total cost, total sale price, and profit. And we can press enter to back to main menu. And if we view the product, it will automatically minus the product quantity. That's all for checkout part. Thank you.
And I Ivan, so now I'll continue the part of generate sales report. So first, we do not have any checkout product, so our sales report will show you do not have any sales. Let's check out some product first. So when we generate sales report, you read the data from the checkout, which is the sales log, and you read and show the data. So let's add one more product, and it will show all the product that you have checked out, and you will sum out the revenue, which is the sale amount, and the profit. So that's all for the sales reports. Thank you.
I'm DJ. I will talk about the SC part. So if you done all the things in our programs, then we can just press 7 to log out and visit our programs. Okay, after enter the 7, then we can log out successfully, and it will show the developers' names. And thank you for using our programs. So that's all. Thank you.